Hey guys, how's everyone doing this morning? So I need to bring you guys another recall video. Now this one's going to be a little different, but I think it'll be helpful for a lot of you out there since we have different vehicles. It's not just Honda and Acura, but manufacturers across the board are having problems. So let me go ahead and get into what just got released. So like I said, a lot of us have different vehicles, not just Honda and Acuras that watch this channel. So I want to do updates as much as I can to bring you guys any recalls that come out so you can take care of them, or maybe you know somebody with one, so you can make sure their cars are up to date and safe to drive. So this one just came out from BMW. And like I said, I know a lot of people out there have multiple vehicles, and BMW is very popular too, so I want to keep you guys in the loop of this one. But here are the vehicles that this recall affects. So you can see it's a bunch of newer BMWs here, and that's always the concerning part, is the newer vehicles, the one that having a lot more issues. So this recall has to do with the potential loss of drive power when you're driving the vehicle, which definitely could result in a crash. So the BMW is saying that the electric drive motor software may shut down their high voltage system, which would make it lose power all of a sudden. So, you know, if you're driving along and all of a sudden you have no power, how that could definitely cause you to, overcorrect or definitely cause an accident. So BMW is going to start sending letters out on August 5th, so about a month from now. And if you want to reference it, here is the recall number for this particular recall. But here's the good news for this recall. Now, I don't know if this is the same for all electric vehicles, but this recall is going to be resolved by an over-the-air software update. So the good thing is they just throw an update over the air and you download it to your vehicle and it fixes this issue. So it's all about the components working together. This is the electric drive motor software, so they're recalibrating something. But the good thing is they don't have to tear apart your car to fix this. They just send an update and you update it and you're good to go. So that might be one of the bonuses here of having these electric systems, is it's usually not something mechanical. So you just update the software and you're good, kind of like your phone. You go through an update if there's a problem with it, and then it fixes that issue. So that's exactly what they're doing here. And like I said, there'll be letters sent home August 5th, and I'm sure you'll be notified if you're connected through their services that your car has an open recall, and you can download the software, and of course it's free of charge to get your car fixed. So if you guys have or know anybody with one of these vehicles listed below, I would definitely reach out to them, let them know that there's open recalls on it if they haven't already figured that out, just so they could stay safe as well and their car is running like they should. It's always important to not overlook these things, because they do affect vehicles where you could have crashes, or sometimes they start catch fire and that kind of stuff. So you definitely don't want to dismiss them, and you want to take care of them too. So if you guys know anybody with one, definitely reach out to them, let them know that they have a recall that's open. Always helps to spread the word about these kind of things. I appreciate it as always. If you have any questions, comments, leave them below. I'll get right back to you. Until next time, guys, take care.